आज म नेपालीमा भ्लग गर्ने अनि आज हामी यहाँ के अरे भ्यास्कस रक्स हैन हामी भ्यास्कस रक्समा आज हाइक गर्ने यो चाहिँ Santa Clarita छ Anyway, I'm going to switch to English because it's not coming out good. Anyway, I'm with Bhuvnesh bro and first and then Vijay, who actually discovered Vasquez rocks many years ago and took us all here. But we're going to hike this area here and this rock. In the old days, they used to make a lot of Western movies here, right? So we're inside the interpretive center. There's real snakes. All right, so it's very confusing here. When you first come here, you're going to get very confused which hike to do. So I suggest you first thing, you go right to the visitor center, you pick up this hiking map, and you want to do the longest, the 2-hour hike. You start from this nature heritage trail. I'm going to explain to you. You start with this one, Nature Heritage Trail. Then you take this loop here. You go this loop. It's called the Loop Trail. And you come back. You go to the PCT, Pacific Crest Trail. You go back all the way, go to the famous rock, and then come back here. But basically, this is where you start, okay? Okay. Thanks. All right, let's get it. It's only 30 minutes from LA.
I think so, yeah. Bring your dogs over there. You see the pets down there. What is this?
California
Wild Rose. There's no flowers here yet, right?
Yep.
Not blossomed yet. Too early. All right, the first obstacle of the day.
All right, guys.
Go ahead, jump. All right, jump. Don't die. All right, I guess I'm doing this side. Go ahead. It's pretty shaky, huh?
Yeah. So I went that way.
Oh, all right.
2 casualties.
Crest Trail Tunnel at Vasquez Rock State Park. Basically, come through there, and then this is the part of. Look at that, Angeles National Forest. It's part of that. That all looks like PCT, right?
Right.
This is under Freeway 14.
It's under Highway 14, Freeway 14.
If you do this, you're ready for EBC, bro.
All right, Shiru. All right, Shiru bhai.
You're ready. Okay, here's the bag. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, man, it looked easy, but it's not. All right, this is gonna jump. Yeah, go. Oh, that was easy.
This is beautiful. Yeah, man, all the ranch style houses, right?
How's the hike, guys? So far, easy.
It's fun.
How's it, Bonish?
Ernie?
Pretty good.
Right? Compared to the landscape is awesome. All right, I think we did like 7 miles, right? 6 miles.
Yeah.
I don't know. I wasn't keeping track. 6 miles?
Yeah, 6 miles. So it was nice. We got lost in the loop, but like I said, go to the visitor center and get an idea. But basically, it's a nice, easy hike.
And it's fun to get lost too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice weather, nice day.